Welcome to my channel. I am RofhiwaReneilwe, and if you're a new person, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl posts. And if you're a regular regular day one, you're welcome. So you know me, I don't like wasting any of your time, so let's get right into the video. The first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna make sure that we apply the eye primer, and we're gonna make sure that it has full coverage so that the colors can pop. As we are done with the first step, I'm going to go on my palette and I am going to choose the color grape, which is dark purple. You can choose any color which is dark. We then move to cutting the crease. Just take your eye primer and then you just cut the crease. Watch how I'm doing it. So go to your palette, choose the color mango and just blend it in your eyes. Do it as I'm doing. Watch and learn. Go into your color palette and choose the color lime or green. Go to your palette again and choose moonlight, which is blue. Any light blue it will do. And then again we're just gonna go to a green color, which is bamboo, on my color palette. And the last color that we're going to be using is called magenta. Ooh, I don't even know how to pronounce that. Grab your eyeliner and make the line that you want. Go for it, girl. Go for it. I'm grabbing that sunscreen because, honey, I am going outside and it's hot. So make sure that you prime your face. Use any base that you want. That's important. Grab that foundation, stick foundation, liquid foundation, any foundation that you prefer, which is of your color, and apply. Start applying on your face. Not too much, just right amount that you will be able to blend. You can forget all things, just don't forget the lashes. Please don't. Take your brush, take your powder, pressed powder, which is of your color, and then start brushing your face. Let's highlight those little cute upper cheeks of ours. You can use a bronzer or a highlighter, whatever that works for you, honey. Use it. Use a bronzer and a highlighter on your nose, the darker color and the shiny color. Grab that concealer, conceal under eyes, forehead, nose and chin. On this one, let me just keep quiet and watch you blend. Blend. I'm gonna watch you do it. Join me. Grab your brush, highlighter, start highlighting that nose, honey. Start highlighting it. Take your loose powder, translucent powder, banana powder, whatever powder that you want. Take it, do it under your eyes, and brush it also. So we want to look cute and nice as we are learning. So go to your palette and choose a naked color or a lighter color and do under eyes with your brush. Do you want to be creative? Then go to your eye palette and choose the color nude and use it on your lips. You're gonna thank me later. Wow. And voila, without wasting any of your time, because we know time is money, what did we do? We are done and our look is complete. Let's just do a 360 turn to show you the creative beauty. You look good, I look good, and if you went through me until this point, thank you so much. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl posts. Okay, I love you. See you on my next video. Bye.